Hi everyone, welcome back to Makes and Bakes. Looking for a fun and colorful paper craft? Today we're making this beautiful hanging paper decoration. Perfect for parties, room decor, or just to get creative. Let's get started. The materials you will need are a stapler, a hole puncher, and 8 papers total in 4 sets of 2, each in a different length and a different color. Step 1. Join all the papers together. Step 2. Now you will staple the other side like this. Step 3. You will make a hole and tie the ribbon onto the decoration. And that's it! Your colorful hanging paper decoration is ready. Hang it in your room, gift it to someone, or use it in your next party. Don't forget to tag me if you try this. See you next time!